Hi, I'm Chef Cynthia Louise and welcome to my YouTube channel because there's new recipes coming through every week. I'll do that again, yeah? From my favourite cafe in Bali. Actually, I want more dressing now. This is one of my favourite dressings from my favourite restaurant in Bali, Indonesia, called Alchemy. And it is an incredible establishment where they have so much raw food and just the most wonderful treats that you've ever can imagine. And the restaurant is situated in a village called Ubud, and it's one of my favorite places to go to when I'm after a salad. I always ask for double the amount of dressing. And Alchemy has been there like, oh my goodness, when I first went there in 2012, it was thriving, and now they've expanded and they have this incredible range of raw food, and it's done so well, and the heart of it and the essence of it and the flavor and the seasoning, you know, it just all comes through to each and every single ingredient that's, you know, provided on the menu. No joke. I'm salivating thinking about it. Like literally every ingredient is seasoned so well and put together in such a beautiful way. It's mind-blowing and it's inspiring. When I go up there, I sit there and I just think to myself, wow, you're so clever. And I just feel super nourished, and my taste buds are just like pinging off the wall, you know, just ping, 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 ping. And that's what it's like there. And one of the menu items that I have all the time is their huge bowls of salad, and you get to choose a different dressing. And I just love everything they do in this salad bar. Like literally everything they do is just on point. And this is one of their dressings. It is just gorgeous and it's so simple. And all you do is just chuck it in the blender and mix it. You can mix it actually in a bowl with a little mixy-ism thing, whatever it's called, but I'm just going to chuck it in here. Really easy ingredients. I'll walk you through it. Half a cup of water. Half a cup of rice vinegar. A quarter of a cup of sesame seed oil. Toasted. And a couple of tablespoons of tamari. All you're going to do is blend this up very gently so it emulsifies, the fat and the water come together. And I've got a tablespoon of maple. That's really it. I added the maple syrup because it just needed a little bit of sweetness to it. And it just is gorgeous with maple actually. It's very light dressing. And this is exactly what I do at Alchemy. I pour my double portion of salad dressing on everything because I love it. And that's it. Dressing with a twist. From my favourite cafe in Bali. Actually, I want more dressing now. If you ever decide to come to Indonesia, come to Bali and come to Alchemy, because I tell you, it is an amazing place. Every single thing in there is on point. Don't forget to subscribe and put the likes up and ring the bell and click the buttons and do all the things. I put out videos every week and you'll get them first when you flick all those things on. See ya.